Good day, everyone. This is the part 2 of our forex trading journey. So, in today's section, we are going to discuss about the following topics: the market makers, trading session, and advantages of forex trading. Now, market makers. These are those who decide what market should do or decide what should happen in the market. Market makers are those that decide what happens in the market. Market makers are those who move the market. Market makers are those who decide whether whether price should go up or down, not the retailers. So you need to know this. They are as well known as the big boys. They are as well known that if you don't want to call them, if you hear it, in case if you hear big boys in the market, or if you watch any YouTube ad there, you hear big boys, you should know that they are talking about the market makers. So they are as well known as the big boys in the market. So they are as well known as the big boys in the market. They are the big boys in the market. They are the ones that decide what that should happen in the market. So you as a retailer trader, there is no amount of money you put in the market or trade with that can affect the market. So you need to know this, that we retail traders, there is not any amount of money you trade forex with that can move the market or affect the market. So that is why it's advisable for you. That is why it's advisable for you to always trade along with the trend. By so doing, you are trading with the big boys in the market. You need to know this. So that's why there are many sayings in that generally saying in forex term, that forex trend is your friend. You shouldn't trade against the trend. You should trade along with the trend, because if you trade against the trends, it's just like you now using a bicycle to push a tractor, a caterpillar. Is it possible? No. So instead of it to be going after the caterpillar, you try to face the caterpillar to push it with your bicycle. You know, it's impossible situation. So that's why you need to know that for you to become a profitable trader in forex trading, you must trade along with the trend. Trade along with the trend. Don't trade against the trend. If you see your market, if you open your chart and the market is going up, you'll be looking for buy opportunity. If it's going down, you'll be looking for sell opportunity. Have this at the back of your mind. Who trade the forex market? Who are those big boys we are talking about? Or who should people trade the forex market? The central banks, the banks, the corporation, and the retailer traders. And the retailer traders, which is you and I, we are the retailer traders. Yes, we are the retailer traders. You need to know this. You need to know this. So I will clean this my board now for the next for continuation of our today's session lesson. So as you can see, so that is it. That is that about the market makers. If you have any question, you can reach out to me to ask a question, and I will answer you. So let's go to the next one, trading section. So it's very important for you to know this as well. So to the second part of that our today's lesson, as I have said earlier, is trading sessions. The trading session of the forex market can be divided into 4 major categories, which are it is divided in 4 major categories, which are London session, New York session, Sydney session, and Tokyo session. Now, London session opened by 3:00 a.m. to 12:00 p.m. Eastern Time. That is in our country time, 8:00 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. That is Nigeria time. So it's not, they don't used to write it as in many, if you go online, they don't used to write it this way, but I write it this way so that it will be easy for you. So the affected currency are Euro, Great British pounds, and CHF. So that is the affected currency that you will find. You will find as in the affected currency at that time. So second one, the New York. New York opens by 8 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. That is to say 1 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. Nigeria time. So the affected currencies is USD CAD. So you need to know this. So maybe in case if you go online, they don't use to write NG time. So I write NG time in order for you to people that are watching from Nigeria, so for you to understand it, because not many people are not find it so difficult to convert the time to Nigeria time. So that's why I make it this way. So now let's go to, because my board, as you can see, my board has filled. Let's go to the next one. So I will clear my board now, then I will write the next one. So let's go to the next one, which is Sydney section and Tokyo section. The third one, the Sydney section. Sydney section opens by 5 o'clock p.m. to 2 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, which is in Nigeria time here. That is 10 o'clock p.m. So 10 o'clock p.m. to 7 o'clock a.m. Nigeria time. So, and the affected currencies is the affected currency. The affected currencies are AUD and New Zealand dollar. That is it. Those are the affected currency in Sydney section. Sydney session opens 5 o'clock p.m. to 2 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. So in our own local time, Nigeria, for those that are watching from Nigeria, is 10 o'clock p.m. to 7 o'clock a.m. So the affected currency at this time is AUD and NZD. These are the currency that you will find moving most at this time. So let's go to the next one. The fourth one, the Tokyo session. Tokyo session opens by 7 o'clock p.m. to 4 o'clock a.m., which will say in Nigeria time 12 o'clock a.m. 12 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock 9 o'clock a.m. Nigeria time. The affected currencies are JPY. The affected currency should be currency, not currencies, but it's only one reason. So these are the Sydney session. These are the forex trading session. Number one that I've spoke about, we have spoke before, is London session, New York session, and this is Sydney session, and the Tokyo session. Tokyo session opened by 7 o'clock p.m. to 4 o'clock a.m. That is in Eastern, yes, to 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. Eastern time. Sorry, 7 o'clock to 4 o'clock. That is Eastern time. Eastern time. Sorry, Eastern time. So it's not Nigeria time. So that is in our country time. Within Nigeria, for those that are watching from Nigeria, will be 12 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock a.m. So the affected currency are JPY. So that is that for about the session. You need to know the trading session, and you need to know the pairs that move most in each section. So it's now left for you to choose your own section and your own best pair at this session. So in the next one now, we move on to the advantages of forex trading. The advantages of forex trading. The third of our listing. The advantages of forex trading. So high liquidity. High liquidity means that there is liquidity at this time, as the market flows well. So low barrier to entry. So does not that you still start going up and down. They make everything is easy. So the better risk management, yes, better risk management. Better risk management, that means that you can, as there's risk management in it, you can manage your money the way you want. Low transaction cost, yes, yeah, make it easy. Low transaction cost means you can start with any amount of money. So these are the advantages of forex trading. And the other one, trade anywhere in the world. Trade anywhere in the world. And anytime of your choice. So those are the advantages of forex trading. So these are going to end this video for this part 2. So thank you for watching. So, and if you have any question regarding all what we have talked about today, so try to reach me via my Telegram or under the YouTube, my channel comment section, so that I will be able to answer you. So thank you for watching. Till next video, I will see you. Stay safe.